Back at 6:24 on your Friday. Now, while we are still seeing people get sick with COVID across the country and here at home, we're also heading towards flu season. There's a chance to get that annual flu shot for free a little later on today. The LECOM Institute for Successful Aging is hosting its annual flu vaccine clinic a little later on this morning. Jamie Babiak is the Director of Operations for the LECOM Institute for Successful Aging here this morning to talk a little bit more about this clinic. Good morning, Jamie. Thanks for stopping by.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
And I know in years past, that clinic that's kind of gets things going at the Zemzem Shrine Club has been huge, a crowded event out there. It seems like LECOM is trying to maybe downplay that one a little bit and spread it out by having just more clinics. Explain.
We do have a large clinic at the Zemzem Shrine Club today from 9 to 3. We'll also have lots of public clinics, including our own LECOM Center for Health and Aging on Shaper Avenue on Tuesdays and Fridays every year, but certainly lots throughout the Erie County and surrounding areas for the public.
And let's talk about the flu season outlook for this year. We have heard that mask wearing over the past couple of years really kept those flu case numbers down. Of course, for the most part, the masks seem to be going away. So what's the general consensus on how flu season could look here over the next couple of months?
I think with the decreased mask wearing, we saw a lot of decreased influenza cases during the height of COVID because of all the masking and social distancing. So I think this year we'll probably see a little bit more than last year. And certainly last year we saw it even into the late spring. So certainly, it can be any period of time during that flu season.
Questions about the effectiveness of last year's version of the vaccine, obviously trying to get it to be more effective each and every year. But for folks who may be on the fence, think the flu vaccine may not work for them, what would you say to those folks?
I would say, certainly each year you do have to get the flu vaccine to keep up with those antibodies, but it's something that if you get over time, you do have increased effectiveness with it.
And let's talk specifically about this morning's clinic for folks who may be interested in heading to the Zemzem Shrine Club. What do they have to do to get that flu vaccine today?
We'll get you in there. Just bring your driver's license and insurance card with you. It's free under almost all insurance plans. So once you get in there, you'll get registered, you'll get your flu vaccine, wait around for a little bit, see a couple of our tables, and be on your way anytime between 9 and 3 today.
And as far as if maybe today doesn't work for somebody, where can folks go to find out more information? You mentioned you're having a series of these clinics over the next month or so.
Sure. So starting next Tuesday, we have our LECOM Center for Health and Aging every Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and then every Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Shaper Avenue.
Jamie Babiak from LECOM, thanks so much for stopping by this morning. Again, that flu shot clinic at the Shrine Club starts at 9 o'clock this morning.